Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. We're checking out a 1969 vintage muscle car Camaro. Check this thing out, custom paint. It's called Sunset Pearl, and it is stunning color. Sitting with a 350 engine in there with a 355 gear and a 3-speed automatic transmission. American racing wheels, 17-inch tires all the way around. Nice seats. Power steering, power front disc brakes. What a great ass. Good looking car. Look at that color shine. I found a couple flaws in it, and we'll go through it when I get up close with you so you all know exactly what you're getting when you get it home. It's got about 3,000 miles on the build. It's got nice black interior. Let's get up and personal with this baby. Front chrome bumper's in good shape, and grille and badging. Front valance and lights are in good shape. All the chrome around there is fine. Hood lines up good. Big 4-inch cowl on top of that hood, which is nice. Great lineup. Great gaps. Couple tiny little chips here. There's a tiny one here and one here. Front fender's in good shape all the way through. All your badging, your chrome on the bottom's good. Super clean underneath. Look at that gap. Done right. Chrome mirror, good shape. Chrome handles good. All your glass is good on the driver's side. Front glass is good. Wipers are on. They're there. They're just not plugged in. Roof line's good. Rear quarters in good shape. Tiny. Rear glass and chrome is good. Rear bumper, chrome, and lower valance is good. Passenger side quarter. I see tiny. A couple on the door edges. Nothing major. Chrome again, and windows. Glass are good. Passenger mirror. Lines up great. All your badging's good. Your wheels are in great shape. Tires got a ton of tread on them. Great color. Let's take a look underneath. You can see for yourself, just clean. Nice set of exhaust. Sorry about that, I'll get closer. Nice set of headers. Really sounds good. Nice clean car. Check it inside. Interior black, good shape. Back panels in good shape. Headliner in good shape. No stories. Both visors are there. All your weather stripping's in great shape all the way throughout. No rust to be found anywhere on this thing. Original welds all the way through. Driver's seat's good. Passenger center console. It showing 10,517 on it. All your gauges are working the way they should. Automatic transmission. Dash pad's great. Clean. All your carpet's good. Sorry about that little dirt there. Let's check out the trunk. Really clean in there. Nice trunk. Weather stripping again is in good shape. Look how clean it is in through here. Great paintwork. Chips, that's it. It's fired up. Nice and angry. All your hoses, your belts are in good shape. Getting a little noise from one of the pulleys. I'll get that worked on and fixed. Drove this thing. It drives real tight, stops real good, shifts through all its gears really well. No funky noises in the suspension. It's a nice riding machine. So if you're looking to do some financing with us, 84 months, your score's anywhere from a 640 to a 739. Go directly to my website, which is mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car, fill out the app. It's minimum 10% down. We'll go as far as 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. 84 months, good rates, usually an approval within 24 hours. We have shipping all over the United States, enclosed and open. Please call me at 773-600-0919. I can give you quotes, delivered to your door, bonded and insured. Again, that's 773-600-0919. I've got over cars ready for immediate delivery in stock. All the pricing, descriptions, video and photos on most of the cars are online. If you have any questions, you could call me. We're located in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 until 2, by appointment only. Reach out to me. If you have any questions, it's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can like us on Facebook as well at MGM Classic Cars, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. Thanks for checking out our videos. Hope to see you soon.